This ReeceNichols Blue Springs property video is presented by Jenny Clark. Don't miss this beautiful, newly updated home with lots of space inside and out. New paint, woodwork and flooring throughout. Large open kitchen looks out to acreage behind, boasts a large walk-in pantry and plenty of space for big dinners and entertaining. Double staircase with second leading up to family room and master suite. Master includes sitting room and balcony. Master bathroom has been completely renovated. Amazing spa-like shower and separate jacuzzi. Full bedroom and full bath and finished basement. Separate carriage house includes an additional 864 square foot, 1 bedroom, 1 bath living quarters with 2-car garage. Additional outbuilding with loft. Beautiful creek runs along front of home. Best of country living with the comforts of city nearby. So much more. Green Valley Schools. For more information.